and important role in the election. No? And we feel that this city this election 2026 PSF masuk ke bahaya ke support kami lah full di sini bakal semua mana semua masuk so tabok semua mana tanah mal lagi yang family but we are very much upset that one of the oldest student organization PSF represent the delegation so I want to appeal to Bubagra. We have always giving full support whatever we can. I cannot give you any sini delegate yang bawa malangnya sama ni semua haroli apa yang hak kita sini appeal sama orang Bubagra ni kami bawa message kenai tahu ke PSF is always supporting him. I feel it. Jeng malah lagi, jeng salah lagi musuh mana. Kebang mau isu itu. So jeng naiknya was of PSF.